Do you want to save time when working in Excel? Here's a super useful shortcut. Okay, let's start. First, select the data that you want to paste. Press Ctrl plus Shift to copy the data. Now, select the cell where you want to paste. Instead of using the regular paste, try Paste Special. It gives you more control over your data. Just press Alt plus ESV from your keyboard to instantly bring up the Paste Special dialog box. From here, you can choose to paste only values, formats or formulas. Finally, click OK. It's that simple. Try it out and boost your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thank you.